All right, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for everyone. And today in this video, I have for everyone my full review of the Teayoha case for the Moto G Power. Now, we're going to get some housekeeping out of the way first before we dive into the video, but hopefully by the end of this video, you guys and gals know whether or not if this case is worth picking up. So let's get the housekeeping out of the way. Now, this video is being recorded in 720p at 30 FPS using the rear-facing primary camera on the LG V60, and I am using Bluetooth audio. So all the audio you guys are hearing should be getting picked up using the Philly T1X truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds and their onboard microphones. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all feedback is greatly appreciated. That being said, if this video piques your interest, all the links to where y'all can pick this up will be available down below in the video description as well. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, housekeeping done, let's dive straight in. Now starting off, the first thing I want to talk about with this case is the overall build quality and design. Now, build quality wise, I have to say Teayoha did a great job. This is built out of your texturized TPU plastic material, and the overall build quality on it is really good. Now, jumping over to the design, you can see in terms of the design, this case is made to mimic your faux carbon fiber with your grippy material. So you can see we got carbon fiber at the top, grippy material in the middle, and then carbon fiber at the bottom, okay? And in terms of the overall design, I have to say I really like this design. Case in point, this is one of my favorite designs because I have it on almost all of my devices. Here's my Pixel 2 XL, and I even have one for my LG V60. This is one of my favorite all-time designs in my opinion. That's why I get it for almost all of my devices. So in terms of the design, I have to say I'm a little biased, but I really do like this overall design. It is what it is, okay? So build quality and design standpoints on this are top-notch in my opinion. Now moving on, let's talk about the overall fit and feel of the case on the device. Now in terms of the fit, all right, and we're going to expand on this a little bit more later on in the video, but in terms of the fit, it is good, but it's not as good as it should be. So you can see we could put it on, it clicks into place, okay? You have all of your necessary cutouts, so charging port, headphone jack, one of your speakers. Up top, microphone cutout, no problem. On the back, you got a nice cutout for your camera lenses and a nice raised lip for added protection and a cutout for your fingerprint sensor, and everything works the way it's supposed to. So you can see really good stuff when we talk about the overall fit. All right? Where we have a problem with the fit is, and this is kind of weird because the screen protector also came from Teayoha as well, but as you can see, the minute I put the case on, it starts lifting up the screen protector. And this happens so much that the screen protector now, regardless of what I do, does not stay flush. Okay? So no matter how I do it, it's going to lift up the screen protector here. Okay? Now, one of the ways I found to fix this is if I adjust the case just a little bit so it's not quite on all the way, then that kind of fixes it. So if I put it like right there, and then as you can see, it's not quite on all the way, and then that stops it from lifting up the screen protector. But this corner is now not fully protected, and you know, one of the points of having a case and screen protector combo is so you can get that full protection. And because the fit of the case is how it is, that takes away from the overall protection of the case and screen protector combo. So although the fit and feel is good, it's not as good as it should be. So it's kind of a positive and a negative. but it is what it is. So overall, I would have to say the fit and feel of the Teayoha case is just good. Not great, not top notch, just good. And I would have to say that's because of that overall flaw there on how they decided to put their combo together. That shouldn't be happening. When you have a case and screen protector combo from the same company, both products need to work flawlessly with each other. Okay? So that really should not be happening. Now, moving on, let's talk about the overall protection. Okay? Now, in terms of the protection, this is another area where I have to say Teayoha did a good job because, as I said, you got full protection with nice raised lips for your camera lenses and your fingerprint sensor. You got fully protected buttons, which also maintain their clickiness and their haptic feedback, so that's really, really nice. So overall, the protection on here is really, really good, aside from the fact that it's not screen protector friendly. So you can see we do have a nice raised lip, but once I adjust the case to where it's supposed to be, then it's not too screen protector friendly at all, and you can see it's already starting to lift. So overall protection is just really good. Not great, not top notch, just really good. Alright? Okay. Now moving on, let's now briefly summarize the positives and negatives of this case. Then we're going to talk about the pricing and availability, and I'm going to give y'all my overall final thoughts and an overall recommendation. Okay? Now, summarizing the positives, because we might as well start with the good stuff first. The overall build quality and design of the case is top notch, and I gotta say, it is quite a looker as well, if I must say so myself. So that's really, 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 really good. Now, the overall fit and feel is just really good. The overall protection is just really good as well. You do have full precision cutouts for everything, so that's really good as well. And it does add a nice bit of grip and otherwise texture to a very slippery device. So that's really good there. Another good positive there. And the price that it's available for, that's probably one of the biggest positives of all. But we're going to talk about the price in a little bit here. Let's keep going. So that essentially summarizes all of the positives. Now, when we talk about the negatives, I already brought them up. I already harped on them. It's not screen protector friendly, so that's kind of a bummer there. And pretty much that's the only negative of this case. All right. Other than that, no other real negatives to speak of. Now, as I always say, I am not perfect and I never claim to be. So if there's a positive or a negative that I forgot to mention, please feel free to throw it down in the comments. And if you're going to leave your comment, please do so respectfully. Keep it respectful, please. All right? But that being said, I will also have a full list of the positives and the negatives thrown up in posts, as I always do. So please feel free to check out that list that you see popping up on the screen wherever it's relevant to be popping up on the screen, and pause the video accordingly. So that pretty much goes over the positives and the negatives. And in my opinion, the positives on this one greatly outweigh the negatives, but I'm kind of a little disappointed that these two didn't work as seamlessly as they should. Especially because it's coming from the same company, so the screen protector and the case should have been very seamless. But it is what it is, okay? So, now let's get into the final part of this video. Let's talk pricing and availability. So, this was another Amazon pickup, and I was actually able to pick this bad boy up for about $9. It was about $8.99, a little bit over $9 after taxes. And I'll be sure to throw the screenshot up in post so y'all know exactly what I paid for this. Okay? But that being said, at that price of $8.99 or $9, let's just make it easy. Can I recommend that you guys and gals pick this up? Well, yes and no. Okay? Yes, if you are picking it up just because you wanted a nice protective case for your Moto G Power, cool. It does that. No problems. No, if you were picking it up because you wanted a nice combo package, so you wanted a really good case and a really good screen protector, unfortunately, they're good separately, they're just not good together. So you have to make that decision on your own. If you're okay with picking it up because you want a really good screen protector and you know the case is not going to function as well, okay, go ahead. If you're picking it up because you want a really good case and you don't really care for the screen protector, or you have another screen protector on your device, okay, go ahead. But if you wanted a nice combo package, yeah, this ain't it. So there you have it. Okay, so that briefly goes through my overall review on the Teayoha case for the Moto G Power. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in my next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.